Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a OnePlus 11 that is in need of a new display, and we have David here. So let's get started. So the cracks on this OnePlus 11 is both on the back cover and the front display. The back cover is still gonna be reused later on, but we will replace the main issue, which is the display. Although the back cover is still cracked, we will still reinstall that, and maybe they can put a phone case over it so that they will not get some shards of glass and cut their fingers, or maybe a sticker maybe to cover the cracks, but it's not gonna be an issue in terms of usability. The functionality of the smartphone will be dependent on the fixed display, so we'll start removing the cover for the daughter board, where you can find the display connector on the corner right here. We'll peel that off and then remove the orange, or I think red, rubber grommet, and then detach this connector to the main board. So this is an important step since we can test if the display is working or not. So we'll attach that, turn this on, and the phone has been on for the entire time. We've sprayed alcohol on the connector and it still works. Alcohol is safe on electronics because it evaporates rather quickly, and you can see the replacement display has no issues whatsoever, no damage, and it works. Even the touch functionality is working. So next we will remove the display. So we will have it recycled and replace it with the replacement screen that we tested a while ago. We'll make some gaps and spray some alcohol using this very tiny syringe. So this is important so that we don't force the display out, although we can still do that, but it's not recommended since we can damage the frame or other components underneath the display. So we'll have to take our time, slowly make some gaps, open the smartphone up, and most of the time that we spent on this OnePlus 11 is removing the back cover and the display. The adhesive on this one is very, very strong. So I believe this is IP rated, so this is not gonna be waterproof after this repair. We can't guarantee waterproofness like what you get from a factory sealed smartphone. And since we opened this up, your warranty may be compromised, which is, I think, a good trade-off since you can still reuse your smartphone as normal. But if you want to use this around water, maybe don't dive with it. A little splash maybe, but not too much. So yeah, we've been at it. We've fast forwarded some of the clips, but it took us a while. David is gonna make sure no scratches can be seen on the frame, or on the frame itself, since it's in pristine condition when we received it. So we'll maintain that state. So if you have a OnePlus 11 that is in need of a new display, it's definitely worth it to have it fixed. Especially with this caliber of a smartphone, you want to spend less, but also get quality parts for the smartphone repair. You can visit Sydney CBD, you can visit your local service center or have your service technician check it, maybe source some parts for it and have it fixed. But if you want to DIY this, make sure you have the proper tools and you fix a bunch of smartphones before this, because it's quite complicated in terms of extracting the damaged display. And it's quite dangerous as well when handling electronics, especially with the battery still inside. You want to have precautions and the proper tools and the proper knowledge to complete the repair. So we'll prep the housing at this point. Old adhesive will have to go so that when we install the new display, it's gonna be sitting flush in between the frame. And David is going to reuse the adhesive strips that is still on the frame and then remove this at the back of the old display. He's gonna reuse this one. So like what I've said, it's not gonna be guaranteed that the smartphone will be waterproof. It's just a guarantee that your smartphone will function as normal with the new display. So after the repair, don't rush to the beach and take your smartphone with you, especially if the smartphone is not rated to be waterproof, even from the factory. So we'll use our liquid adhesive to support the existing adhesive strips that we are going to reuse, just enough so that we can install the new display as airtight as we can. So we'll put liquid adhesive around the perimeter of the frame, route the connector for the display and align it and press it in. There you go. Then the connector will be dealt with in the reverse order. So we'll attach it, this connector, fold it, put back the rubber grommet. The rubber grommet is here to protect the connector, the flex cable of the connector, so that it will not be sliced by the metal frame and it will be stabilized when you fold it. There you go. It's quite tricky. There you go. So this is just going to be the reverse process. We'll put some liquid adhesive on the back of the back cover, so we'll have to reuse that one. So from the front, the smartphone will look brand new. From the back, it's still gonna get the patina or the damage from the cracks, which is kind of cool if you are into wabi-sabi. But if you don't want the cracks to be too obvious, too alarming whenever you hold your smartphone, then maybe cover it up. I think the client will have to cover it up so it will be safer to use, and maybe it's not gonna get slippery when holding. Usually glass smartphones are kind of slippery. There you go. David is the guy you see in the camera, and this is gonna be it. This is done. Let's cover this up. Yep, never mind the cracks. This is very usable. OnePlus 11 fixed. This is the before and after. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.